It took us around, I think, 3 days to get it all level, because obviously it's not the same shape, it's not the right dimensions. We had to do a lot of cutting, a lot of trimming. I had to extend the trolley to level the front end, so that the front end didn't, because it was tilting forward and tilting to the side. So we extended the trolley and made it into a jig. And then once we got all the measurements right, and then we made plates to hold the body on the outside, so we can fiberglass from the inside out. Once we finish fiberglass on the inside, we'll grind off all the Frankenstein rivets and then do the outside. Quite a process. They're just holding it in place while we fiberglass it. The 3D rendering we had made is pretty much the same. It does look wider, but from that rendering we had done, I could see that it was going to work. So it doesn't look off at all. And the further you plan back, the better it looks. Yeah. And the roof, the level of the roof, I just love that level of the roof. It's just so low. I'm just making a template so I can cut the woven fiberglass into sections. I don't want to waste anything, so I want to get the exact right shape to go into the quarter. The floor is pretty easy because it's just flat bits, but the sides, and I don't want to leave any bubbles in between the different layers of fiberglass. So the closer you have it to the original shape, the easier it is to apply. When these cars are made, they're made one big mold, so there's no joints. Like on the outside skin is one complete. So I'm adding more fiberglass on the inside, so I can grind away the 2 layers on the outside. So when I put the fiberglass on the outside, do you see what I mean? Because if I'm overlapping 2 panels, so I'm building from the outside in basically. So on these joints here, you can see it's way too thick. So I'm going to grind that away and then blend it in with new fiberglass. All becomes one complete, and there ain't no joints. But that joint there will be gone. Yeah. So I've got to put a lot more on the inside than the outside.